The State Weather Bureau announces the end of the La Nina phenomenon in the Philippines. According to Pag-asa, La Nina is characterized by unusually cooler than average sea surface temperature. It is usually associated with above normal rainfall conditions across the country during the last quarter of the year and early months of the following year. Pag-asa says the Oceanic Nino Index in the tropical Pacific indicates a return to neutral conditions. Pag-asa says model forecasts suggest neutral conditions will persist through June, July, or August 2026. Despite the end of La Nina, the agency says other weather systems may still influence rainfall distribution in the country. It says the country may still experience heavy rainfall due to these systems, leading to flash floods and rain-induced landslides in vulnerable areas. The Weather Bureau advises concerned agencies and the public to remain vigilant and take appropriate precautionary measures.